Alright, so I got it all mounted. Fuse is still available. Screwed down. Screwed this screw in here from an angle because I wanted to leave room and I couldn't move it over. Had to trim the bracket and all. I put all the wires in here, spliced into my step lights and stuff. And then I mounted the controller on top of this, whatever that thing is, pedestal or something. And now I'm ready to move on to the fuel pump filter and fuel tank mounting underneath. I'll check back in a minute.